How to set timer in YouTube Kids. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So here, you must enter the code or simply answer the puzzle question. So here, we in the settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and even customize it. So now slowly scroll down. Here, there's a section called Set Timer. Tap on Set Timer. This is the place where you can set the time for the kids or the screen time. Now you can easily customize it and it's up to you. At last, tap on Start Timer and you're all set to go. Now, the YouTube Kids will automatically shut down after the timer goes out. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.